Ready to improve your relationship with money? There are a lot of important actions you can take, but here's one key piece of advice. Start treating your money better. Stop avoiding it, hating it, wasting it, resenting it, or otherwise just being a jerk to money. This exercise starts with what you already have. Number 1, show gratitude. Be aware of and thankful for all of the wealth that you already have. Take a moment right now to look around you. Say a heartfelt thank you for everything money has given you. If you can open your mind and come at it with a generous heart, I am confident your list will be very long. Focusing less on lack and more on abundance is the key to shifting your mindset about money. Number 2, know your numbers. Do you know how much money you make? How much you spend and on what? Do you have a financial plan? Honoring your money means being a responsible steward of it. That means having and using a budget, paying bills on time, saving and spending wisely, and otherwise just caring for your cash. Number 3, spend smart. Audit your spending for a month, and I mean every penny you use. Where are you being wasteful? When are you engaging in mindless spending? How could you automate, eliminate, streamline, or otherwise better utilize your money? A healthy mindset is about appreciating and respecting money, not misusing or coveting it. Number 4, act like a CEO. The best way to respect your money is to be serious about it. If you're a business owner, that means having a separate business bank account, paying yourself a salary, setting aside money for taxes, earning a profit, and saving for retirement. If all of that feels overwhelming, I highly recommend reading Profit First for guidance. You can find a link to the book below. Number 5, charge more. Stop undervaluing yourself financially and stop resenting people who pay you too little when you don't ask them to pay you more. Treating money well also means asking for as much of it as you feel justified based on what you sell or based on your career. Anything less says you don't value money or yourself. Ready to do the work to improve your money mindset? These 5 steps are just scratching the surface of what you can do to make a change. I go into much more in my Money Mindset Crash Course. It's a 30-day program designed to help you improve your relationship with money so you can make more of it. You can learn more or enroll here.